Hi. Depending on the door overlap, the appropriate hinge is automatically selected and the hardware list is updated.
Artlist.io.
I start with an empty base cabinet under the worktop. I browse my catalog of door components and I drop a double door component on the cabinet. As you can see, the hinges are there. I hide the doors now because I want to drop two shelves with their fittings. I would like a 15mm recess of the shelves. I edit the variable for this purpose and I add 15mm to it, which translates into a reduction. Right-click Show All. I am now going to edit the door overlap. By checking the option, the 2mm recess is made from the axis on the left side. And a miracle happens. The system selects the correct hinge. I'm doing another test and it's conclusive. In this plan view from the top, we can clearly see the substitution of the hinge model. What to remember? Thanks to the automatic selection of hinges in relation to the overlap of the door, you free your mind to focus on details.